Hey dudes, here's how to rip CDs in Windows 11. Since my computer doesn't have a DVD drive, I'm gonna use an external DVD drive. And of course, you would need the CD you want to rip. In this case, it's Ellie Goulding's Halcyon. I just connected the DVD drive to my laptop, and it's time to insert the CD. Open it up, and place the CD. Now that you've inserted the CD, it's time to open Media Player. So here we are in Media Player, and as you can see, the CD appears on the sidebar. Click it, and you're ready to rip the CD. But first, let's check the rip settings. Click the rip settings, and as you can see, you can choose which format you want to rip it to. Personally, I want FLAC because it's lossless, and I can also just convert it to MP3 when I wanted to. Let's click FLAC and click Save. Now, to rip the CD, just click the Rip CD button. This can take a while depending on how many songs are in the album, and the rip is finally complete. To see where the ripped files are, they're usually in the music folder where the artist is, and it will be on its own folder. There we go. So that's how to rip CDs in Windows 11. So anyways dudes, I'm Newecreator, and see you later. Anything could happen.